Hi, welcome. So in this video, we'll discuss about content in the Meta Business Suite. So what is content in Meta Business Suite? So the first step will be you have to go to the Meta Business Suite. After once you will go to the Meta Business Suite, so you will see an option of the content. When you click on the content, so there will be multiple option come here. So under the content, you can say that from the content you can schedule the content, you can schedule, publish and manage post and stories and more. Here you can see all the option that you can manage from the content. The first post and reels, but all the post reels you have posted anytime, lifetime, all the content posted from your end on the Instagram or Facebook will be reflected here. So there will be multiple section. The publish, all the publish post will be there, all the schedule post will be there, and the draft will be there, the expired. Okay. In the story portion, whatever the story will mention in the Facebook and Instagram will be reflected here, as you can see that here. And here you can see highlights of the Instagram that you have put. Okay. And here you can see all the feeds, story, whatever your story posted on the Facebook and Instagram. After that, A/B test is there. What is A/B test in Meta Business Suite? So basically from the A/B test, you can compare version of your reels with different text, cover and caption to see which version audience like the most. Means when you will create the A/B test, so you can create a multiple format for the single post. This is the version A. Suppose I have to post a particular text in the different variation. So just I will select the multiple version from here for the text. So in this we are mentioning A, in this we are mentioning B. So as you can see that right now we have the two version of the post, version A and version B. As you can see that A and B. So what will happen right now? You can create multiple version also. Click on the new and select the format. It can be your text, it can be your image, it can be, so as the same way you can create multiple variation of the single image, a single text, any formats like reels, video, image, link, text. For all you can create multiple variation and test out. So when you click on the next, so you will see the option here, the scheduling option. Scheduling option means you can schedule in the further time also, future times, like by tomorrow, by for next day. So anytime you can schedule from here, or if you want to publish it right now, so click on the publish now. After that, test name is there, so there will be there can be multiple posts. So you can specify the particular test name here, this reel is for the education purpose, this is for digital marketing. So you can select the name here. After that, determining a winner. So basically we are creating the version or two version of the post, and we have to test it out, like which one will work perfect. So how we will determine like which post will be the best. So there are the multiple metrics here: the comments, shares, reaction, people reach, link clicks. Like if the multiple comments is there, so we can pick this, and from both post version A and version 2, which has more comments, will be the fixed post, the permanent post, and another version will be deleted. Okay, so in the key metrics you can decide according to your interest, like if the more people reach on the particular post, so we can keep this, otherwise the another version will be deleted. This is the test duration, how much time you want to test the version of the post. Is a in the particular duration, like for the 2 or 3 hours or 24 hours, whatever the time duration you will select. In this, both version will be shown to the audience, and from both version, you can identify how my post is performing in terms of reaching, in terms of commenting, anything. So according to that you can finalize them. And after that, once you will done with the selection, so just you have to click on the preview and publish. So your post version has been created on Meta Business Suite, and according to your selection it will be shown in the feeds. And after that, feed and grid option is there. So this is the feed and grid. In that you can see all the posts that you have posted in two layout, that is the feed and grid. mention and tag is there, so in that all the mention account will be reflected here. And for all you can mention the filter here, like for which date you want to show. Okay, these are the filters that you can apply. After that, clips is there. When someone copy your content, create a clip of your content, will be reflected here. So these are the collection, playlist, series, Facebook photos. So basically the main purpose of the content, from here you can check anything, how the content is performing, what you have posted. You can create the multiple version of the single post, a single reels, a single stories, so single text. So there are a lot of the things that you can do with the content part. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.